Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're building our first 3D scene in Godot, completely on mobile. Let's start. Now we open Godot, create new project, name it something like my first scene, and create. Tap node 3D scene, rename it to main scene, add node, search for CSG Box 3D and create, and rename to floor. This is gonna be our floor. From inspector, change Z and X to 10. And we have a floor. Add another CSG Box 3D. Rename object, from inspector, found transform, change position Y to 1. Before we add materials, you can either use a solid color or use textures like I'm doing. If you want textures, I added the download link in the description. Just import them into your Godot project folder. Color alone is totally fine too. Your choice. Alright, let's add materials. Select floor. From inspector, select geometry, material override. Click on standard material, select albedo, texture, quick load, choose your texture. For example, I choose black number 5. Scroll to UV1. Enable tree planner. Now select object, geometry, material override, standard material 3D. From albedo, texture, quick load. I choose white number 7. Change color if you want. For example, I want to make it orange. Now tap 3 dots here, add sun to scene, rename to sun, move and rotate it for nicer shadows. Click 3 dots again, add environment to scene, add node, search for camera 3D, create, rename camera, move and rotate it to frame the scene when you got a nice view. Select on main menu, select on scene, save scene, and save it. Now press on play, select current scene. Your first 3D scene on mobile is done. Great job. In next videos we'll move the camera and start building gameplay. Like and subscribe for more Godot on mobile. See you in the next one.